Meanwhile, a former top Trump White House advisor is set to start serving prison time for refusing to testify before Congress about his involvement in efforts to overturn the 2020 presidential election. Peter Navarro, a trade advisor to the former president, was sentenced in January to 4 months in prison for defying a congressional subpoena. Navarro appealed the sentence, but yesterday, Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts rejected his bid to remain free. He is set to report to federal prison in Miami later today. NBC News Justice reporter Ryan Reilly joins us now. Ryan, good morning. Great to see you. So remind us how the issue got to the Supreme Court in the first place. Why was he subpoenaed to begin with? And then what was his reason for not complying in his defense?
Yeah, so back when Democrats controlled the House of Representatives and were running the January 6th committee, they subpoenaed both testimony and documents from Peter Navarro. And Peter Navarro sort of thought that these magic words, executive privilege, would sort of shut this whole thing down, even though he had written about January 6th and the lead up to it in his book, had spoken publicly repeatedly about this. He said that, claiming executive privilege, he expected to shut this all down, and that's not really the case here. Even if he made that claim of executive privilege, or rather if the former president made that claim of executive privilege, he would still have to show up for that actual testimony, and he didn't here. He essentially just blew off the committee, and that's sort of what he expected to end this, but ultimately that's what got him convicted in court back last year, and then he was sentenced in January to 4 months in federal prison. He's supposed to report today, actually, by 2 p.m., so now that the Supreme Court has rejected that, we can expect to see him making that appearance and starting to serve his 4 months, Savannah.
Chief Justice Roberts issued this order. What did it say?
It said basically that this, that there is no reason to delay this sentencing from happening, from taking place, because there wasn't the legal basis for them to basically delay this. He can still appeal on the merits, but of course he'll have already served the sentence by the time that all plays out. And legal experts think that this is a little bit of a stretch here in terms of actually getting rid of that sentence. But it is very rare for people to be sentenced for contempt of Congress. It's not something that we see on a regular basis, especially if it was someone who worked at the White House. But, his testimony really was essential here because he was at the center of this effort to overturn the 2020 election. In fact, Donald Trump's infamous "will be wild" tweet was based on a story that was on a report that Navarro had written that was sort of based off of these crazy conspiracy theories about the election being stolen. That's what he was sort of boosting here. So, his effort to sort of overturn the election really was at the center of this effort. And it's understandable why the January 6th committee wanted to talk to him. Ultimately, they didn't. So, we could be finding out things down the line. I think for years we'll be finding out new things about what exactly happened in the lead up to January 6th.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.